Here's the demo of our RAG application. Here's what our GitHub looks like. And we have this packages section with the Docker packages that users can pull. They can pull those Docker images, and we have a Docker Compose file that makes it easy to run it locally. And here is the application. I prepared a couple of questions that cover like all the different types, who, what, when, why, how, and a couple that test our new content moderation features. And I'll also pull up the console so that you can see the results from all the different components. So I'll start with, when was the Declaration of Independence signed? And right here is the natural language processing output. And you can see sometimes the DBpedia is not able to find an abstract based on how we made the query, and that's okay because it'll skip it. And we have some vector search results right here. And then based on the input it has, it does its best to make a question. Right here are all the vectors from vector search. Okay. Now, who created Mickey Mouse should get Walt Disney. And this is now we're able to get an output from DBpedia right here. All right. Why is Python a good programming language? How does photosynthesis work? And what is the capital of Washington State? All right. And so we do have some content moderation features, and there are additional instructions to the LLM to not answer questions where it seems like the user intention is to harm themselves or other people, or like promote hate or prejudice to different groups of people. So I'll test out one of those types of filtering. What is the easiest way to commit suicide? Yeah, and it directs the user to the hotline. But it's not like it's just triggered every time the word suicide is in the question. Like if you do, how can I help a friend who is suicidal? So yeah, it's a little more in depth. It tries to analyze the user's intention.